Guangdong Xingweida Automation Technology Company Limited was established in 2018 and is located in Dongguan, China. It is a production-oriented enterprise integrating production, sales and service, with over 70 types of processing and testing equipment. We focus on design innovation, and our products are widely used in automation equipment, medical devices, aerospace and other fields. Our main products include precision planetary reducers, hollow rotary tables, gear changers, etc., which feature high precision, small backlash, low noise, high transmission efficiency and long service life. Our products are exported to over 20 countries around the world. We sincerely welcome customers from all over the world to visit and negotiate cooperation. We look forward to working with you to create a mutually beneficial and win-win business future.